Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We wanted to make this video today, not only the team, but also myself as well, just to personally thank our viewers and subscribers. You've managed to get the channel to 300,000 subscribers, which is just fantastic. Now, I wish we could take all the credit for this, but you guys have done such an amazing job at growing this channel. You've liked the videos, you've shared the videos, you've commented telling us what you want to see, what you don't want to see. So you have shaped this channel moving forward. And it's such a privilege to be able to make these videos for you guys and to get such a positive response back as well. I've seen lots of communities on Facebook and YouTube where there's not such a positive vibe, but you guys have always been so positive throughout, not only with each other, but with myself and Mrs. B. The comments we get are so lovely and you're also supportive of one another. We just wanted to say thank you so much because it's your community, guys, and you make this channel into what you want to see, and a lot of this growth is down to how you guys are. So thank you so much. Keep being you, because you guys are awesome and absolute stars. I know you all like that one. So thanks again, guys. We're going to keep aiming higher. We're going to keep aiming for that 1 million subscriber mark. We'll get there eventually, and I'm sure you guys will stick with us along the way and help us to get there. So as always, guys, take care of yourselves and one another. Thank you so much for sticking with the channel and supporting us and helping us grow to 300,000 subscribers. And I shall see you again on Wednesday.